As part of the end of the day thorough clean, we need to clean our deadweight cap, our deadweight, and the bottom of our deadweight assembly. Before we take our cap off, we need to make sure that our pressure gauge is down at the 0 mark. And once we're ensured there's no pressure in the fry pot, we can open the lid just to ensure that there's no pressure. And then we unscrew the deadweight cap. Then we're ready to clean the cap. You can take your towel and just wipe out the moisture and shortening inside the cap. The other thing with the cap is make sure to inspect this black O-ring. Just look for any signs of cracking or missing sections, and you'd want to replace that O-ring if either were the case. And then set that aside and pull out the dead weight and wipe that off the same way. Set that one aside, and then take your towel and clean out the inside of the deadweight and around the orifice that's inside, sitting down in there. Once we're done, we install in reverse order. Deadweight sits on the orifice, and then the cap screws in on top of the deadweight. And we're finished.